He said word is the currency in the spirit realm. Actually, word is what connects spirit realm to the natural realm. And that is why prayer is an essential tool that somebody can use in the natural and activate spirit in the spirit world. When you pray, you are using words. But those words that is said in prayer activate the whole spirit realm. Now, God's power is activated in the spirit realm because God is not in the natural realm. He operates, he governs in the spirit realm. He is a spirit. But a man that lives in the natural realm prays, and that prayer activates God in the spirit realm. God is not the only personality in the spirit realm. We have the devil in the spirit realm. Do you know he activates the devil too? He stopped all the operation of the devil in the spirit world. Prayer, words that were uttered. Devil is not only the same, he's not the only personality also in the spirit realm. Do you know there are angels in various degrees and categories? They are also activated in the spirit realm. Not only them, do you know there are demons in the spirit realm? All of them. Because of prayer that was made by a man. Everything is activated. Now, in the spirit realm, you can only speak based on your authority. Every spirit authority is a product and how his word is responded to in the spirit realm. Please, I want you to stay with me here. If you are a spirit being, man is a spirit realm. How your word is responded to is based on your authority in the spirit world. God is God because his word holds the supreme authority in all the realms. So when God speaks, every spirit in the realm responds to it.